I love Prague. Its beauty seems infinite. There is always something to admire. So what is the best way to see the city? From a Segway, let me introduce you to magical Prague. I live here and I'm familiar with every house and every square. Just like my colleagues. Choose our company, Prague On Segway. We are your friends on the way to your discovery of Prague. And with your friends, as you know, you share much, much more. Only Prague On Segway specializes in sightseeing tours exclusively for 2 people. We believe this is the only way we can take perfect care of your safety and comfort. You can see more, experience more, and enjoy a wonderful day. Trust us to give you memories that will last forever. Unlike other Segway companies, which focus just on quantity and tours with large groups, we offer you true quality. Our friendly and personal approach is the main reason why we have so many happy customers. See for yourself on TripAdvisor. Before you arrive in Prague, make sure to book your personal Segway tour with our company. Choose from our very own routes throughout the city. Your new friends at Prague On Segway are looking forward to welcoming you on your tour.